The toilet has broke. It does not flush anymore. I think this is the first thing that's really broken down just under normal circumstances. A lot of stuff was broke when I moved in, of course, but I think this is the first thing to give out since then. So let's see what we have here. I don't really get into plumbing too much, but I'm gonna get this going, so let's take a look. These are fairly simple machines inside of here, so probably can get it going relatively easily. Well, we have no water in there at all. And we just have a starting to fail fill valve. Okay, let's see if it works properly now. Yeah, it's working now. So, then we just have to lubricate the valve in there or something. Could be a one-off thing, but I doubt it. So we'll just have to observe it and go from there.